Sri Sai Ram. Hearty welcome to Sri Sathya Sai Lok Seva Gurukulam. Free online classes in mathematics. How are you all? Fine? Very happy. Be attentive, okay? I think all of you have got geometry boxes with you. Writing book, textbook. Ready? Okay, get ready. We'll just continue with the practical geometry. In life, practical is very important. Theory, anybody can tell and go off. But doing practically is really a challenge. And let us just recall what we have seen in the previous class. Construction of triangles. What is triangle? Triangle is a plane figure having three sides or three vertices and three angles, correct? For constructing a triangle, how many measurements should be given? There should be three measurements. And also we have seen the different parts of the geometry box. Come on, what is this called? Compass. Why it is used? To draw the arcs or circle, correct? Can you see it? Okay. And also, what is this called? Scale, to draw the lines, correct? And yeah, the most famous one, what is this called? Protractor, which measures the angles. Also, you have two more things. They are called set squares, correct? What is this called? Divider, to measure the length of the arcs and length of the lines also. And two more things, of course, they are very used very rarely. It's called set squares, correct? We have two of them. And again you have eraser, then sharpener, they are all subsidiary items, correct? So you should know all these parts and how to use it and why it is used. And then you have heard about quadrilaterals. What is quadrilateral? It is a plane figure having four sides. When you say four sides, naturally it will have four vertices. And at these vertices you have angles, four angles. Is it not? And also we have studied how to construct a quadrilateral having four sides and diagonal. So to construct a quadrilateral, you should have 5 elements or 5 parts. One of them we already taken, that is 4 sides and diagonals are given, and how to draw a quadrilateral we already studied, correct? Now construct a quadrilateral ABCD. Given AB is equal to 4.5, BC is equal to 5.5 centimeters, side CD is equal to 4 centimeters, side AD is equal to 6 centimeters, and diagonal AC is equal to 7 centimeters. So totally how many elements are there? 5 elements, 4 sides and 1 diagonal. Okay, come on. Now draw a rough figure. First take a pencil and keep it on near the scale. Draw a line of 7 centimeters. Okay, that will be diagonal. And one side is AB 4.5. Second side is 5.5. BC. Third side is CD 4 centimeters. And last one AD 6 centimeters. Why it is called quadrilateral? Because it has 4 sides and 2 diagonals. What are the sides called? AB, BC, CD, DA. So draw a rough figure as per given in the problem and write it on the sides. Okay, come on, let us do the neat figure. Come on, all of you take a pencil with a compass and a scale. Okay, first thing is draw a line segment AC with length of 7 centimeters. Come on, the pencil must be very sharp. Okay, now you have drawn the line AC. What is the line called? That is called diagonal. How many diagonals are given? One diagonal. Now let us locate the point called B, which is 4 centimeters away from A. So with A as center, draw an arc of radius 4.5. Come on, take a compass, stretch it in the scale and take an arc of, draw an arc of radius 4.5 centimeters. Done? Okay, third step. With B, as the B is about 5.5 centimeters away from C, what you do? Take C as center, draw an arc of radius 5.5. Is it okay? So, take compass, keep it on the scale, stretch it 5.5. Come on, these two arcs meet at a point called B. Correct? Now the fourth step. So B is called the point of intersection of the two arcs. May mark it as B. And what do you mean by arc? Arc means part of a circle, correct? So there are two arcs there. They meet at a point called B. Now coming for the point D, which is 4 centimeters away from C. So with C as center, draw an arc of radius 4 centimeters. Come on, take your compass again, keep it on the scale, stretch the compass. How much? 4 centimeters. So with C as center, draw an arc below the line, because we are locating the point called D. But the D is 6 centimeters away from A. So with A as center, draw an arc of radius 6 centimeters. Okay, come on. Are you doing it? Yes, very good. Come on, with A as center, draw an arc of radius 6 centimeters. Now these two arcs cut at a point called D. So what is D called? The point of intersection of two arcs. So it name it as D there. Now you have to complete A, B, C, D. So take a scale and pencil. So join the points. First AB join. It is called line segment AB. How much is it? 4.5 centimeters. Join the line segment BC, and that is about 5.5 centimeters. CD, that line segment is about 4 centimeters. And lastly, join the points AD, which is about 6 centimeters. Now ABCD is the required quadrilateral. Okay. Come to construction of rhombus, and it's let us call it as best, BEST. You are all best students, correct? So what is the spelling of best? BEST. So in case of rhombus, one diagonal will be given, one side will be given. So let us draw the rough figure now. So take a pencil and scale, draw a rough figure. Here one diagonal, the name of the diagonal is ET. So draw ET first. How much it is? 6 centimeters. And draw another line PS. The length of PS is length of ES is 4.5. And as you know, in rhombus, all sides are equal. So, one line ES is 4.5. Another line TS is 4.5. Third line BT is 4.5. Fourth line segment EB is also 4.5. So now we are drawing a rough figure. To draw a neat figure, let us start with diagonal. The length of diagonal given 6 centimeters. So what is the apparatus required? One is scale, another is pencil. So draw a line of 6 centimeters. How do you name it? Name it as E and T, ET. So ET is the diagonal. Second step, we know that there is a point called S, which is 4.5 centimeters from E. So with E as center, draw an arc of 4.5 centimeters. How do you do it? Take a compass and keep it on the scale and stretch it to a radius of 4.5. So with the E as center, draw an arc. And similarly, S also is about 4.5 centimeters from T. So one more arc you have to draw, taking T as center. Okay? Again, take a compass and cut off an arc to cut the previous arc in the point called S. Correct? So now S is got. Now how to get B? B is and the two arcs meet at a point called S. So let us mark it as S. Okay? Don't say no. Tell yes only. Next step, there is a point called B below the line. And how much it is? It is about 4.5 centimeters from T. Shall we draw it? Okay. So take a compass and scale and cut off an arc from T, which is a radius of 4.5. And similarly, so point B is 4.5 centimeters away from E. So with E as center, draw another arc to cut the previous arc at the point called B. So now one more arc is drawn with the same radius. So nice, so simple. Correct? So these two arcs meet at a point called B. We call it as point of intersection. The meaning of the word intersection? Intersection means cutting. Correct? So they meet at a point called B and now join these sides. So you get a beautiful rhombus. What is the property of rhombus? All the sides are equal. Name the sides. ES 4.5. Second side ST 4.5. Third side BT again 4.5. Only change is diagonal. And lastly BE, that is also 4.5. So you get a beautiful rhombus. Very simple question. I think all of you understood. Very good. You are best students. You get a best rhombus, right? Now let us see one construction of a quadrilateral. How many sides quadrilateral have? 4 sides. How many diagonals will have? 2 sides. 2 diagonals. So now let us see the case where 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given. Okay, now let us go to the gold shop. You are all golden students, correct? So let us draw a quadrilateral, namely gold. GOLD. So you have to draw a rough figure. First, let us take the OD diagonal as 10 centimeters. Then draw the sides OL 7.5, LD 5 centimeters, GD 6 centimeters, GL 6 centimeters, and diagonal OD 10 centimeters. Come on, draw a figure using pencil and scale. Okay, and mark on the lines what is the length. Okay, for example, OL is 7.5, LD is 5 centimeters, DG is 6 centimeters, OD diagonal is 10 centimeters, another diagonal GL is 6 centimeters. So there are two diagonals. Now what is the first step? First is OD. Draw a line segment OD with length 10 centimeters. So take a scale and pencil. So mark a line called OD. 2 points you mark and let the length be 10 centimeters. Now OL is 7.5 centimeters. And so what you have to do? With OS center, draw an arc of radius 7.5 centimeters. So safely and carefully take a radius of 7.5 centimeters. With OS center, draw an arc. Correct? And next step is LD is 5 centimeters given. So with DS center, draw an arc of 5 centimeters. Where is D? D is in the right side. So for that, you have to take a radius of 5 centimeters. With DS center, draw another arc. These two arcs, cut at a point called L. Now you can join OL and LD. Now what happened to our G? G is missing, correct? So we have to find out G, correct? So OLD triangle is got. So you have to find out one more triangle below the line. For that what you must do? LG is 6 centimeters. So with L as center, an arc of radius 6 centimeters is drawn. And that is called diagonal. So you must keep the compass at L. Draw an arc of 6 centimeters. So another one. With G, as GD is given to be 6 centimeters. With D as center, draw an arc of radius 6 centimeters. So these two arcs meet at a point called G. First we did with L. Now we are doing with D. So these two meet at a point called G. Now join the line GD. Join the other line OG. Is it okay? Join the diagonal GL. What is diagonal? Diagonal is the line segment joining the two opposite vertices. Here two diagonals are there. One is called OD, another is called LG. Now what you got now? We got the required quadrilateral called GOLD. G-O-L-D. Construction of quadrilaterals when two adjacent sides and three angles are given. So there are 10 elements in a quadrilateral, correct? What are the 10 elements? 4 sides, 4 angles, 2 diagonals. Out of this, in this case, we have 3 angles and 2 sides. So 5 elements are required to construct a quadrilateral. Remember? Okay, now let us read the question. Come on, take down. Here we have a plan. PLAN is a quadrilateral. In that, given PL is equal to 4 centimeters, LA is equal to 6.5 centimeters. They are the two sides. Angle P is equal to 90 degrees. Angle A is equal to 110 110 degrees. Angle N is equal to 85 degrees. Ready? Come on. Draw a rough figure. Why you must draw a rough figure? That is how you have to proceed on the basis of that. Correct? So, rough figure is ready. Now, we have to get one more angle called L. How to get angle L? As you know, in a quadrilateral, there will be 4 angles. Sum of the 4 angles is 360 degrees. In this, you are given with 3 angles. One is called P, 90 degrees, A, 110, N, 85. So add all those things. It becomes 285. What is sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral? 360 minus 285. How much it comes? 75. So angle L becomes 75 degrees. Okay? With this knowledge, let us try to construct. Come on, let us do the neat figure. Get ready. Now you want one more instrument called protractor. First thing is draw a line with a scale and pencil. And what is the name of the line? The line is called P in one side, L in the other side, PL. And length of PL is 4 centimeters. Now, with P as center, make an angle of 90 degrees. 90 degrees can be done with compass very well, or you can do with protractor also. For doing in compass, this is the method. Come on, draw an arc of convenient radius with P as center. Same radius, draw one more arc. And from that point, draw one more arc. These two arcs meet at a point above. Now you can join. This will be the perpendicular line. Other name is perpendicular line. So that is how you got 90 degrees, right? Now with L as center, we have to do how much angle? So as usual, take a convenient radius with compass and mark and two arcs there. First you have to do 90 degrees. Yeah. Now, just as we done like in P, draw perpendicular line at L also. But it is not 90 degrees here in L case of L. So what you must do now? We have to bisect the angle. And how to do that? Take a compass, take the two arcs and let these two arcs cut at a point. This line angle will be 75. How we got 75? 75 is angle in between 60 and 90. So what you have done now is bisector of this. So that is how you mark that. Now the angle is 75 degrees. And now take a length of 6.5. So there is a point called A, which is 6.5 centimeters from L. So that point you mark it as L. Okay. Now take a protractor. Here we cannot do with compass. So what you must do? Take a protractor. Now what is the angle A given? 110 degrees. What type of angle it is? It is an obtuse angle. What is obtuse angle? Angle more than 90. Correct? So at A, make an obtuse angle of 110 degrees. And this line drawn from A, cut the previous line at N. Now PLAN, plan, is a required quadrilateral. So nice. I think you understood. Okay. Thank you. So shall we see the home assignment? Yes, first question, construct the following quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral more. MO6, side OR is 4.5, angle M is 60, angle O is 105, angle R also is 105. So, 3 angles and 2 sides are given. Also, we will have one special rectangle, special quadrilateral called rectangle. The property of rectangle, opposite sides are equal, all the angles are equal to 90 degrees. Because you already studied, so I did not work out may not be difficult for you to draw a rectangle. Name of the rectangle is OK. Okay, now let us see what Bhagwan Baba says. Bhagwan Baba says 2 things to remember. The help received from others, the harm you are done to others. Should not forget. Should be always remembering. Any help you are done to others, you must help received from others. And what you have to forget? Help given to you, given by you to others. What help you have done to others, you should forget. Also, harm done to you by others, that also you forget. These 2 you remember, those 2 you forget. Correct? Thank you. Come prepared with the answers. Thank you.